What's up, everybody? I'm going to swap out a Honda Accord console lid from the older years, 2008, 2009, right in there. This is a real common problem. As you can see, this one has really had it. So I've got an easy solution. I used to fix these and make new covers, and then I used to buy new covers, but I got an even better trick now. I'll show you what I got. All right, what you want to get, just get yourself a screwdriver. You've got 3 screws, sometimes only 2. Actually, you've got 5 to 7. There's 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 right in the middle. Go ahead and pop those out of there. Alright, like as you saw me do, you're going to have to slide this up to expose that odd numbered screw there, the 5th or the 7th. Pull these real quick. You're going to have this job done in no time. But first, before you do this, you're going to want to go shopping. Get on Amazon. I'll show you what to get. For about $20, get yourself a brand new lid. So I've already gone shopping, and I have some on board. Now, I don't have a gray one, but this customer doesn't care. I'm going to go ahead and swap it out with the black. And then tonight, I'll make sure to order a light gray one and another black one, so I've got more ready to go when someone asks me for this. Well, sometimes they'll come with actual leather and they're nicer. They're even better. This one's even better than this. This is super, super thin vinyl. So here we go. Once you've got all the screws out, you can see it's getting kind of loose. Just give it a little jiggle. It usually comes off. I might have missed one. There we go. I missed one. All right. Lid comes off. If you want, you can order off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Click where it says show more, and there'll be some highlighted blue links you can click. It'll take you right to Amazon, where you can buy this cover in genuine leather for about $13 to $15, or you can buy the whole lid with new plastic for around $20. It's sometimes the future is great. This car does have black in it, and so it doesn't look the worst. I think it's going to be fine. I've got some other major problems in here I need to deal with. It's got holes in the carpet. It's got big old leather rips. I just noticed a really big one. I don't know if I'll be able to even do anything about it. But this guy wants to sell this thing. He wants to get decent money. And so he's giving it a little love. It's only got 118,000 miles, so it deserves it. You know, it's still a good car. It's a Honda. It's got a long way to go. The screws go in. They're going in a little bit stiffer than they came out, but that's fine. Probably just because it's a new piece of plastic and it's never had screws in it before. Anyway, I'll finish this job up. You guys don't gotta watch. I hope this helped you out. You're on your way to getting a new console for super cheap. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if this helps you out. It'll help me out. And yeah, I'll bring you some more tips in the future. See my videos pop up, check them out. I'm always trying to share some knowledge and some insight I've earned over the last 20 years of doing this. Messing with cars and making them look pretty, making people happy, and solving problems. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you later.